The next step in the setup involves selecting the operational settings that match your workflow. Keep in mind that these settings can be adjusted at any time, so feel free to experiment with different options to determine what best works for you. Power on your splicer and navigate to Home, then Splice Settings, then Fundamental Settings. Within the Fundamental Settings menu, you can toggle the pause setting and then Auto Start Trigger settings. Turn pause on to have your splicer pause after completing fiber alignment. This allows you to inspect the preparation quality of the fibers before they are spliced together. Turn the Auto Start Trigger setting to either on or off based on your preference for the level of automation you want your splicing process.